had a lot of fun thinking of all the different words I could use for this project. There were so many ideas that I had that came flooding in, but a few could only make the cut. I had a few instant favorites from my sketches, but I ended up going with different ones from the ones that I had originally marked because they just didn't work out as well digitally as they did in sketches. I chose magnetic as my final to continue to work on because I did feel it was the strongest of the 4 digital compositions. During the refining process, I did make a few changes. One of the biggest was that I was trying to figure out how to move this eye closer to the C so it appeared that it was sticking to this the C that was flipped around to represent a horseshoe magnet. And so what I did was change the gray to an outlined white so that you could put the eye right next to it and still have sort of visual space, but that it would be able to stick to it. I still ended up keeping the T slanted because once again, if you put it right next to the eye, it sort of just became this unreadable blob of letters. So just a slight tilting of the T, but keeping them connected so that they were all sort of magnetized together. I also changed the spacing here between the letters so that they were spaced in such a way that it appeared that it was slowly pulling these letters into the magnet versus here where it was sort of they were all sort of the same spacing. In conclusion, I had lots of fun with this project, but also really helped to reinforce the things that we've been learning for me. It was also just a great stepping stone as I continue to learn more about typography.